Hey everybody, another story here for you. This one is It's Show and Tell Dexter, a Dexter T-Rexter book by Lindsay Ward. Dexter Dino stomped through the swamp. Dexter Dino, chomp chomp chomp. Jack, breakfast. Oh, hi there. It's me, Dexter T-Rexter. Guess what tomorrow is? I'm so excited I can hardly wait. It's only the most important day ever. It's show and tell day. I've been training for weeks, getting myself in peak physical condition. 5 a.m. wake-ups, intense workouts, reach, tiny arms, reach, and staying hydrated. What do you mean, why? Every toy dreams of being taken to show and tell. If things go well, I'll get super special keep forever status. Jack's been talking about it for weeks. He told me he doesn't even know what Damien and Hunter are bringing, and they're his best friends. Well, besides me, of course. Don't tell Jack, but I'm getting a little nervous. Nervous eye twitch, cowardly tail position, fidgety claws, awkward smile, pit in stomach. What if no one likes me? I know, how about a costume? That would really help me stand out. Wait right there. Okay, this is option number 1. Jack's class has a pet bunny, and everyone loves it. Jack talks about it all the time, so I thought, I know it's a little tight, but really? Not even the cute fluffy tail? Sigh. Okay, I know you're gonna like this one. Astronauts are cool, check it out. Bouncy moon prop. What do you mean you can't see my face? I'm right here. I see your point about the helmet. It could be tricky. All right, I've saved the best for last. I really think you're going to love this one. Thank you very much. No, really? But it's sparkles! Those are the best costumes, and you didn't like any of them. I know, how about a spicy routine? Salsa? Mambo? Cha-cha? Too much? I know, I can recite the state capitals backwards. Psst. Do you know any state capitals? This is going to be harder than I thought. I know. How about an impression? Get it? It's a turtle who's fallen and can't get up. What do you mean it just looks like a T-Rex who's fallen and can't get up? This is not good. I don't have any skills. I can't dance. I can't recite. I can't show or tell. Oh no. What if it's too horrible? What if Jack doesn't think I'm cool enough for show and tell anymore? What if he has so many toys? What if he decides to take someone else instead? Like Harry. He's cute and fluffy. Or Mighty Mac. He has a cape. I don't have a cape. Or Steve. He's a super cool dump truck. I mean, Steve's nice and all, but no, Jack has to take me. I'm his favorite. He tells me so all the time. I'm the toughest, strongest, coolest dinosaur around. Right? But what am I going to do for show and tell? It's going to be a disaster. Maybe I'll be sick tomorrow? Cough, cough. Actually, I don't think I'll have to fake it. My tummy doesn't feel so good. Show and tell is scary. Really scary. I don't think I can do this. I can't handle this kind of pressure. Cold sweats, clammy claws, yuck. Tummy ache. Oh no, here it comes. Total freak out! Deep breaths. In and out. In and out. Wait, what did you say? Go as myself? That's the silliest thing I've ever heard. I don't have a costume. I don't have a routine. I have to have something, right? You really think I could just be me? Well, there is one thing that I'm good at. Dexter Dino stomped through the swamp. Dexter Dino, chomp, chomp, chomp. Show and tell day was awesome, and you were so worried. Dexter Dino, he's the best. Dexter Dino, our favorite guest. Thanks for listening, friends. Bye.